It is day 2. Good morning, everyone. See here, welcome to my garden, to my front porch. Today is day 2 of my fall garden cleanup. If you didn't watch day 1, definitely make sure you do so you can see how I maintenance or got my front yard in shape. Today I'm working on the side of the house as well as in my backyard. I've got some weeding I have to do, a little bit of raking. I'm planting a new shrub. I've got some deadheading. I need to pull some containers in. I'm sure the list goes on. It is chilly out here. Let's get started so I can get my butt back in the house. All right. And so I just finished raking and now I can see what I'm working with when it comes to this side of the yard. The next thing I'm going to do is deadhead those yellowing hostas. This would be the perfect time to transplant them to another spot, but because I have some hostas that have already been transplanted to this area, I don't think it's worth it. I don't think this is a good spot for them. So I'm just going to deadhead them and I'll monitor them, see how they do next year. I'm going to plant that viburnum that's behind the crepe myrtle, and then this area will be done and we're going to scoot over to the other side. Next on our to-do list, I'm going to tackle this hydrangea tree. I'm just going to work on the foliage. I'm not going to deadhead it until next year for spring. Then I'm going to blow a little of those leaves down this brick path, and I'm going to deadhead the hostas that are yellowing towards the end of the path. On this side, I have a knockout rose bush, 2 azaleas, and a limelight prime hydrangea. I'm going to clean those up. The foliage is looking a little bad on those. And then I've got some weeds that are as tall as my rose bush. So I'm going to clean that up and once again, tidy up those leaves a little bit. And then we'll be done on this side. Okay, so we made it to the backyard. We're almost at the finish line. Back here, I just have a few tasks to do. So I have 3 containers. I'm going to clean those up. 2 of them go in the garage. 1 is going in my house. So I'm cleaning those up. I'm going to clean the gutters in the she shed. I'm going to clean up a mess that the dogs have made, and we should be done. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to take 2 of these containers in the house and I'm going to store the hosta in the garage over winter. I'm going to inspect them for pests. If needed, I'm going to, of course, prune them, get them looking a little better, and I'm only going to trim them halfway at most if they need it. And then I'm going to give them a good watering, spray them for an insecticide, and let them drain out very well before I bring them into the house.